What you doing, Maggie? Hey. What you doing? Well, good morning, guys. It's day 04. Yeah, I just woke up, gonna get some breakfast. It's Wednesday, so we have some fun things planned for today. So stay tuned. That's a handy way to get coffee. Alright, so today is Wednesday, and I don't even know when the last time I filmed that church, so I don't know. I'm gonna try to bring those back a little bit, but I don't know, I just felt like filming today, so I'm filming today. Pretty cool. But today I have science class, which kind of sucks. Whoa, when did I get the haircut? I just got it this morning. Ha. Alright, so right now I'm on my way to science class. Well, I'm not on my way because I'm still in my driveway. My mom's looking out the window right now. But yeah, so I'll see you guys actually when I'm on my way to church. Alright, so I just got out of science class, and I actually got out like 5 minutes early, which I'm pretty stoked about that. But basically all we did was sit in the planetarium and like watch a movie basically. Oh no, not watch a movie, but this guy kind of just taught over a video kind of thing. But yeah, I'm really dizzy now, but I'm gonna head to church and get set up for tonight. So I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we just arrived at church, and now we're heading into Sammy's office. When I say we, I mean that was perfect timing. Yeah, I had to pick him up because Jacob wouldn't pick him up. Dumb Jacob. Call out Jacob. Everybody go comment on Jacob's Instagram.
Hey.
Hey.
Did you get a haircut?
Yeah, hey. I did. I got it this morning.
Hey.
So anyway. Is it back on?
Yeah. Gosh.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Wait, where are you?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Productions. What's going on? What's going on?
Wait. There we go. That's better.
What's going on? What's going on?
You want to do it, Vince? Yeah. Okay. Okay, Maddie, we're gonna give you a challenge.
Okay.
You have to make 2 strawberry mango fraps in 1.5 minutes.
Pay me first.
Yeah.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah, we're buying stuff.
Yeah.
I have to make stuff?
Yes! It's for the video. You get a shout out in it.
It's for the YouTube channel.
My bad.
Okay, I can make it in 1 minute and 50 seconds.
Minute 50? Okay, so 2 minutes. Alright, ready? Set, go!
Is this for Twitter?
Oh, wrong one. Yeah, 2 of them. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock.
What if I mess it up?
It's on the house.
Then, yeah, on the house. You give us that $4.25
Honey,
back.
do you guys like... Well, no.
I'm gonna
More mango.
Hold that. I'm gonna get all up in her face. Have some pressure, you know?
Okay.
Press it on there. Go, 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 go.
I'm trying. I just almost slipped.
You want whipped cream? Yeah?
Yes.
Yes, you want whipped cream. Whipped cream. Put those back. That's not empty.
It was empty.
Hurry up. Hurry on. That looks really decent. 1 minute and 3, 2, 1 second. 1 minute. 1 minute. Wow, this is actually going really fast. Hey, that's too liquidy. I don't like it.
Oh my god.
If you just want to put it back in there for a couple more.
Yeah, a couple more minutes.
Okay.
Oh, she made extra.
For me.
For you.
I don't like mango.
You don't like mango?
40 seconds.
Oh no. I made them beautiful too. Do you see that?
You have to put the straw in it for us too.
Oh my gosh, I put too much whipped cream.
Yes, that looks so cool though. Look at that.
5 seconds.
Okay.
Stop the clock. What time?
21 seconds remaining.
Wow, you did 140, 139. Good job.
I'm Dan's undocumented older sister.
That's it?
I don't know.
That's it? That's all you want to say?
Help me. I want to be famous.
You're not going to be
Should I
famous
sing?
by this.
Who's helping with details?
That's the third one. Alright guys, so we are back home now, and it's like 11:15 right now. I skipped past a lot of time. I thought I was going to go out to eat with some people and film there a little bit, but I never did. It was just too busy in that. I mean, sometimes that happens, but whatever. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, give this video a like if you can. I know you can. Just give it a like though. Yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to never quit. See ya.
Watch the flames burn up and on the mountainside. So the chorus next. Thanks. Inside the mountain, I see fire. It burning the breeze, and I see fire. Inside the mountain, I see fire. It burning the breeze, and I hope that you'll remember me.
It goes back. Does it go back to?
I don't think she's done.
I know, same. I was like